So on 3rd of November, the Honorable Supreme Court said that they were going to pass some directions, interim directions regarding dogs in institutional areas, and today the bench assembled, read the order and did not hear any party today. We are actually quite shocked to hear the orders that were passed. It was regarding removal of dogs from certain areas. These areas have been loosely defined as educational, medical or sports institutions across the country. The order has been to make peripheral walls and fences within 2 weeks in these areas and deny the ingress of dogs and remove all dogs. I don't see that playing out very easily in the country because there are institutions that look after hundreds of their dogs very well. Also, some of the larger institutions like IITs and JNUs and AIIMS actually look after their dogs which are neutered and vaccinated. The court has also asked for fencing to be done around bus stops and railway stations, which is a nightmare, going to be a nightmare for administration. I would wait to read the order that is actually passed when it is uploaded, and we will seek necessary remedies. The states would of course be completely incapable of executing it, that is for sure. Within 2 weeks for every educational institution, which some of them don't even have classrooms, for them to now have walls and manning the gates to prevent any animal from coming in, I don't know what kind of a sterilized country we are trying to live in. So we had prepared a roadmap. We had submitted it with the amicus for what steps can be taken to prevent conflict in institutional areas, and how neutering and vaccination and strengthening of peripheral walls, etc. Can be done within a period of time in a graded manner, and responsibility can be affixed on these institutions to ensure that feeding is done responsibly, etc. But that was disregarded today. The bench did not hear it. The amicus did not place it on record before the bench, as far as I know, and that is why the bench passed again sweeping directions like ones that were passed on the 11th of August. This is actually unfortunate that it's a real problem, the population of dogs. There is a real solution, but without listening to all parties, just offhandedly asking for dogs to be removed is just going to aggravate the problem. While it might seem like a solution on paper, it's going to be a nightmare in the country.